Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll here with the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit Reveal and Inspiration for a really special limited edition card kit called Holiday 2023. This kit is packed full of some really fun things, and I'm going to start off with the 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Cocoa and Joy, and it has some really fun illustrations. So we have a snowman and some other critters, and they're all holding cups of cocoa. There are also a couple cups of cocoa and some bold messages that you can put together, along with some scripted greetings and some fun things that you can add to your critters. I couldn't wait to show you these guys. You'll also get two of these adorable snowmen that you can fill with some candies or cocoa. They are food safe, and they have this zipper pouch at the top. So you just separate the hat, open that zipper pouch, then you can fill them up with treats, and then you can just seal that little hat space together to keep them closed. We have a gorgeous embossing folder for you, and this is called the Threaded Snowflakes. Embossing folders are really easy. You just slide your paper in between the two layers, close the top, and then you can run this through your die cut machine with the correct amount of plates for embossing. We're also including a set of stencils, and these are 3 inches by 3 inches. There's 4 in total. And these have all these little fun pieces and parts that you can put together to create a cocoa mug. So I've stenciled one out, and I've used the little marshmallows and the steam and the cinnamon stick. So all these little pieces that you can put together to create some fun images. You'll also receive the new Cozy Wishes die set, and this is a 2-piece set. So you get your really beautiful fancy Cozy Wishes, and then also that shadow piece that sits behind. For your tags and embellishments, we're also including 1 spool of Simon Says Stamp silver and white twine. Another great item for this kit is our Wintermas sticky notes, and there are 40 snowflake sheets in total, and these peel away, and they have to and from, so you can mark your packages while you're wrapping. Here's a super fun idea for you. These are the scrapbook adhesive foam snowflakes, so you can peel away the tops of that adhesive paper, and we're also including a jar of the Simon Says Stamp unicorn confetti, and this is a really beautiful, highly iridescent, chunky glitter. So once you've peeled away your release paper, just go ahead and sprinkle your confetti right onto the foam and then tap away the excess. I like to push it down with my finger to make sure it's all pressed in, and now you have embellishments for your cards. We have a load of tags for you. There is a pack of 24 tags plus some twine, and they have 4 different colors with 6 different shapes and patterns. So you have the craft, also white, and then the same shape in a metallic silver, and also a shimmery cream gold. And they come with a natural twine, which is long enough for all your tags. You'll also receive a pack of the Tim Holtz photo frames. There's 2 sizes, so you get 4 in total, and we thought these would go really cute with some of your pattern paper, so you can frame out some of the designs and put them onto your cards. Don't forget, you can color your frames and also use your alcohol inks and unicorn confetti to jazz those up. So speaking of the papers, we have 12 sheets, double-sided, 6x6 from the Cartabella Wintertime collection. We really love these papers because they go beyond just the holidays, and this really takes you all through your winter. There's plenty of patterns to work with. They're in soft blues and also navy blues, lots of snowflakes, wintertime wreaths, and also these sheets that you can cut up and add borders to your cards. I love a collection that you can mix and match your patterns along with your paper colors to put everything together to create cohesive designs. And I always love a sheet that I can cut up the elements and add to my projects. So once again, that's 12 sheets, double-sided, 6x6 from Cartabella Wintertime collection. We have some small envelopes for you, starting with these little pockets, which are great for gift cards. You'll also receive 2 of the metallic silver and 2 of our clear transparent. For your card making, we're including 3 of the Simon Says Stamp A2 size folded note cards. These come pre-scored, so all you need to do is fold them over and then use your bone folder for a nice crease. We have plenty of cardstocks for you, starting with our silver glitter paper and also our white glitter paper. These are perfect for using with your die cuts for an elegant and wintry look. And then we have Simon Says Stamp Cornflower, and that's a 100-pound cardstock. And also Nina White in an 80-pound cardstock. And then our silver matte metallic paper. And this has a really soft sheen to it that has plenty of shine as well. So that's it for the reveal of our card kit. And up next, I have some inspiration from our designers. Callie Person created a card using the foam snowflakes with glitter, along with some pattern paper that she ink blended, and then her snowman and fox for her main images. Cindy Norberg used the Cozy Wishes die cut and also the snowflake foam pieces with her glitter. Nina Marie decorated a pocket and filled it with a gift card and used the stamped snowman and some foam snowballs with glitter. I created a card using the stencil to create my cup of cocoa with Cozy Wishes die cut over the top. Nina used the adorable snowman pouch and filled it up with some candies, added a tag and a heart to adorn the front of the body. And finally, Susie Plantamera stamped an entire panel using the elements from the stamp set, then used her exquisite skills to color them all in. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Holiday 2023. Remember, it's a limited edition and is only available while supplies last. Be sure to check the links below in the description box for how to purchase this kit and also to our blog post for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.